Currently at Aldi shopping for the week. I want to try to spend less than $40. I did inventory before I got here. I have a lot of things planned for this week, so let's get shopping. Here is my list. I have hardly anything really to buy. A lot of produce today. I'm going to try to keep it under $40, so let's get started. First thing I want to get is a pound of sharp cheddar for $3.79. I usually just get this one here. And for snacks this week, I'm going to grab one of these for $3.09 today. They have a lot of cheeses on sale right now. I want to try this white cheddar cheese, $2.19. We love to do charcuterie a lot around the holidays, so I'm going to give this one a try. I'm making taco salad tonight. A lot of times I use ground turkey, but tonight I want to use a lean ground beef, and I see this 93.7 for $6.09 a pound. So I think I'm going to look for a little package of this today. And the 80/20 is a lot cheaper at $4.99 a pound, but I just find that it's just way too fatty for something like this for us usually. And we're celebrating a birthday, so I really want it to be perfect, so that's why I'm getting the more expensive stuff today. So I'll get this one here for $6.15. We've been drinking a lot of orange juice lately, so $3.29 for this one that I'll be getting today. Can't forget the milk. I'm gonna get a couple of our favorites here for $4.19. Luckily they have it today. I'm making some taco shell bowls, and I like to use these large flour tortillas. These are medium soft taco size, so this should work well, and they're $1.99 for a 10 count. Today on the Aldi Savers, they have some really good deals on cucumbers. They're 24 cents each, so I think I'll get a couple of those today. And I did notice they have a 5-pound bag of these yellow potatoes for $1.99. That's a really great deal. We don't need it today, though. I still have potatoes left over. And asparagus is $1.89 a pound as well. I don't think I need any of that today. And then apples are $1.99 for a 3-pound bag, so I may get a bag of that as well. I'm actually planning on making some vegetable sushi rolls and spring rolls and all kinds of things, maybe salads. So I'm gonna get maybe 3 cucumbers today, actually. I noticed that these vanilla cream brioche Christmas trees, and also they have chocolate chip brioche too. They're back at Aldi. I've heard a lot about them. They're $7.49, so a little pricey, but I think this would be really great for a Christmas morning treat or something. So I went ahead and bought one. I put it in the freezer. I bought one just a couple days ago when they got them back in stock. But let me know if you've tried them, because I've heard a lot about them. I'm really excited and kind of nervous because we're going to be having this on Christmas. Next, I'll get some iceberg lettuce, just one head for $1.69. This one looks really good. Carrots are $1.59 for a 2-pound bag, so I'll get one of those today. Carrots are the most underrated vegetable, I'm telling you. I'm gonna go ahead and get a bunch of green onions for 84 cents. I used a lot last week, so I don't have a ton growing, so I'm gonna get one. And don't forget, when you cut off the white ends with the roots, you can actually put these in water and they'll regrow within just a couple of days. So that's my little scrappy cooking tip for today. Cilantro is 89 cents a bunch, so I'm just gonna get one of those today too. Keep my cilantro in a jar of water in the fridge, and it lasts about a month doing that. Now I need avocados. They're 49 cents each. Then I'll get some Roma tomatoes for 79 cents a pound, and maybe a couple onions for 49 cents a pound. Oh, and maybe a lime or 2 for 15 cents each. Probably never find avocados cheaper than at Aldi. At least not in California. A couple of Roma tomatoes. And a couple more avocados for good measure. And I'm planning to make a homemade tomato sauce with all the tomatoes I have in the freezer. And celery is a good ingredient to add to my homemade sauce when I'm making it from scratch. I use carrots, onions, and celery. So this is 97 cents. I'll get one bunch. I'm at a loss for words. What do they call it? Onions, carrots, celery? I don't remember the name. There we go. Croutons always help my kids eat their salad. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cheese and garlic croutons for $1.29. These are really tasty. I know they're not super healthy, but if it gets them to eat their salad, I'm a happy mama. I feel like I went over budget. Let's go see what I'm paying today. So this is everything I'm getting today. The avocados sent me over. I'm at $43.45 this week.